Well, hello, beautiful. Thank you so much for being here. I'm Cody Montarbo, the founder of Montarbo Skincare, always here to help you have the most healthy, glowing, and gorgeous skin. Today's video, I wanted to share with you my professional retinol cream, which is a 3% formula of retinol, which is the non-acidic form of vitamin A. So a little buffered and blended with other nutrients in here to help you to be able to use it without massive irritation or redness. This will help to regenerate new skin cells so that you're always having your skin running at optimal levels so that the top layer of your skin just looks tighter and brighter with less pores. It does help with breakouts. We don't promote it for breakouts, but we do have a lot of clients that have acne that are using this, that love it. We promote this more for anti-aging benefits, more glowing skin, more fine lines, more sun damage, for those people that want results, but they don't want to compromise on having downtime, irritation, or sensitivity. Because when you use a retinoid that might be too strong or too irritating to the skin, then you don't use other ingredients often that really the skin needs, like vitamin C, because it's acidic, because your skin's already irritated. So when you use something like this, you're getting all of the benefits for anti-aging, sun damage, fine lines, pigmentation, a little bit with breakouts, but you're not getting the massive sensitivity with it. So you can use this every night if you're really advanced or hardcore. Most of our clients use this just every other night, but if this is like your main anti-aging ingredient like vitamin A is, then you can build yourself up to use it every night, and we have people doing that successfully with minimal sensitivity or issues. And it also will help plump the skin and hydrate the skin and just that glow that you're always kind of looking for. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask them below, and I can't wait to help you achieve your skincare goals much more quickly with one of my products. Bye, I'll see you soon.